Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the Poor Boys RC challenge. This is the TT02. I guess you can have like a TT02, a TT01, and do a speed run challenge. So this is my TT02. I'm going to run it with a stock body. Just going to do a couple test pulls here and see what we can get out of it. I do have a upgraded pinions in there and motor and ESC, so it should do pretty well. But I'm just gonna give it some tests. So let's see, let's turn everything on. For some reason I must have it plugged in backwards. Yeah, I sure do. Let's plug that in the right way, huh guys? So got my little lipo in here. Thought I had it all set up and ready to go. I got to tune everything up. Steering, all that. I haven't even put it on the ground yet, guys, to test it. So there we go. It's got the TT02 up top there, so we're on the right channel. Reach in here, and if you can see in there, I got the on-off switch right here. Three beeps, 3S. So let's put it down here on the ground, and afterwards we'll show you what's in it. See, it is steering to the right. So let's go. This is a new controller to me, so we're trying to figure out how it all works. Let's see, steering trim. Okay, so that's GPS should be on. Let's go in here. That's GNSS. Here we go. Let's do a track start. See, it's catching. And we'll stop, read, 6 miles an hour, track, start, stop, read, zeroed, track, start. Right there, it's testing. Let's see what she can do. Just a couple little test hits here, guys. We're trying not to do too much because, like I said, I haven't really tested it. Just a little half poles or so. Woo. Yeah, that body's rubbing bad. That's why I don't. That's why I'm only doing test runs here, guys. I didn't want to cut the body up too much because I like the look of it, and the downforce is just going to shove it down on the ground. I already cut a 1/10 of an inch off or so. So let's see what this one says. Still tracking. Stop. Read. 43 miles an hour on that one. So we'll do another one. Let's copy that. We'll do one more just for a test. Okay. So we'll track. Start. Stop. Read. Track, start, make sure it's picking up, same. Okay, let's go for another little run. So it ran pretty good. It just, when it started getting the downforce from the wind, which is good at keeping it down on the ground, it there we go. it pushed the body down on the ground and made it rev real bad. Yeah. So it's catching. Stop. Read. 45. So we'll stick with that. Yeah, the body's kind of messing me up, slowing me down a little bit, I think. But I'm probably going to change the body out. So I don't have any posts to bring it up. And I don't want to ruin the body, so I got another body at home that I'm going to put on it. But there you go, 45 guys, 45 miles an hour. That's my first entry. So you guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, Poor Boys RC, for doing this little fun bit. And y'all get out there and run your Tamyias. Go have some fun. Crash into a curb if you want. That's what I do. Oh, I did forget. Still running. Don't crash into a curb yet. I'll show you guys. Gonna have to. I don't know how I'm gonna go a little faster than this on the next run, but I'll still show you guys my battery. So here's my battery. 3 wires, 4 wires total. It's 3S battery. It's 5200, I believe, milliamp. And then that's what I have in there. So we'll explain a little more. There's my GPS in the back so you can see it. And just some foam tires on there right now. So we'll go from there, guys, and then see you on the next one.